ऐसा चाहिए कुछ अमाउंट, एंड इफ इट इज पॉसिबल फॉर मी, तो मैं फिर गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. All of you must have revised with the entries of forfeiture. Okay. We'll discuss the now. In yesterday's illustration, share forfeiture account we forgot to prepare at the end. Journal entries we passed, but after that you were also asked to make share forfeiture account, which we forgot to prepare. So let us make that share forfeiture account first for yesterday's question. Okay. All of you take out the yesterday's solution, what we had done. Illustration 11. All of you look at illustration 11. See, we forgot to make this at the end yesterday. Can you all see? You are asked to also prepare share forfeiture account, everyone. Do you all see? This we forgot to make yesterday. So all of you make around 4-5 lines, small format of share forfeiture account. Okay, all of you make a small format of share forfeiture account, 4 to 5 lines, ledger account. It's a normal ledger and posting what we have to do from the journal entries. Do you all see that share forfeiture and reissue only has these entries? Only last 3 journal entries has accounts of share forfeiture. Can you all see that? Can you all see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 7th entry has share forfeiture account, 8th entry has share forfeiture account, and 9th entry has share forfeiture account. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, normal rule of ledger and posting, in entry number 7, share forfeiture account is debited or credited?
Credited.
Credited. So in share forfeiture account, we will write on credit side. What is the name of opposite account?
Equity share
By
capital.
capital.
So on the credit side, we will write the opposite account. All of you write down by equity share capital account. And what is the amount of share forfeiture?
48,000.
48,000.
Amount will come of share forfeiture, that is 48,000. Is this ledger and posting clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this? Now, in the same manner, look at transaction 8, entry number 8. All of you look at entry number 8. In that, share forfeiture account is debited or credited?
Debited.
Debited. In entry number 8, the share forfeiture account you all can see is debited.
Yes, sir.
So now in share forfeiture account, where will we write this?
Debit side.
Debit side. Which account will we write?
Equity share capital.
Opposite account to equity share capital account. Share forfeiture account, debit side, all of you write down to equity share capital account. And what is the amount of share forfeiture in this?
25,000.
5,000. I hope everyone is clear with this ledger and posting also.
Yes, sir.
And the last one, 9th, in that share forfeiture account is again debited or credited?
Debited.
Debited. What is the opposite account?
To capital reserve account.
Share forfeiture account, debit side, all of you write down to capital reserve account.
Account.
What is the amount of capital reserve?
23,000.
And you can see it's a squared up account. Both the sides total is 48,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is no balance. It is a squared up account. Is everyone clear with this extra part of yesterday's question which was left out? Is every one of you clear with this extra part? Any doubt in it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we take up with illustration 12. All of you look at illustration 12. Jagmohan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Read the question.
Dhyanik Ceramic Limited issued 3 lakh equity share of rupees 10 each at a premium of 150 per share. Amount called up per share was as under.
Just a minute. Issued means company has offered. Okay, the company has offered 3 lakh shares. Face value is 10 rupees and premium is 150 rupees. Yes. Further.
On application, 74 rupees including 70 for premium.
So how much will be towards the face value?
4.
4 rupees. Out of 74, 70 is premium, means 4 rupees is towards the face value. Further.
On allotment, 44 rupees including 40 for premium.
Now, how much will be the face value here?
4.
Again 4 rupees. Out of 44, 40 is premium, means 4 will be the face value.
On final call, 42 rupees including 40 for premium.
So here how much will be towards the face value?
2.
2 rupees. Further.
Company received application for 3 lakh shares.
Now-
All amount due.
Now, just a minute. How many shares were issued by the company?
3 lakh.
And how many applications are received?
3 lakh.
So full subscription, over subscription or under subscription?
Full subscription.
Full.
It is a question of full subscription. That means all the entries we will pass with 3 lakh shares only. All entries we will pass with 3 lakh shares. There will be no refund. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Further.
All amounts due were received except final call on 2000 shares held by Vishal.
What is that?
Calls in arrears.
Calls in arrears. Okay. Except means these are the calls in arrears. Vishal has not paid final call on 2000 shares. Further.
Company fortified Vishal's shares after carrying out necessary formalities and reissued those shares to Avani as full paid up at 80 per share.
Now forfeited Vishal's shares means when is the forfeiture done?
After final call.
After final call, because company has asked the money. Shareholder did not pay money, and then after the final call, the shares are forfeited. Okay, so final call is not paid by Vishal. After that forfeiture is done, means company has called up till final call entire 10 rupees. Further, reissued at 80 rupees. So what will be the amount of discount?
80.
20.
20.
No, just a
Sir,
minute. No, just a minute. Face value is 10 rupees.
yes.
So they are reissued at 80, means they are reissued at premium of 70.
Premium of 70.
Okay, they are reissued at premium of 70 rupees. So all of you listen carefully. When the shares are reissued at premium, then instead of this share forfeiture account debit, we will credit security premium account. Because here you are not reissuing the shares at discount, but you are reissuing the shares at premium. Did all of you understand this point?
No sir, आप भी समझाओ ना एक बार.
The share forfeiture account we have to debit when we issue the shares at discount, means lesser price.
हाँ.
But if you reissue the shares at higher price, means you are not giving discount, you are charging premium.
More.
Yes, you are charging more, means you are charging premium for that. Okay.
हाँ.
Instead of share forfeiture account debit, since we are charging more amount, here we will credit security premium account in the reissues entry. Did you understand this?
Yes sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Anyone who is still not clear with this? 10 rupees shares are reissued at 80, means they are reissued at premium. Since they are reissued at premium, not at discount, so instead of discount share forfeiture, in this question in reissue we will credit security premium account. Is everyone clear with this new point? Any doubt in it?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yes, Jagmohan, read the main question. What is it? Asked at the end.
pass necessary journal entries for about transaction in the books of company and also prepare security premium account.
That just now we made share forfeiture account. In this question, which ledger account is asked?
Security premium.
Security premium account. So that we'll be making at the end. Mute yourself. Now let us first make the workings. Okay, 3 workings will come. So very first working note. Akshat from Nizampura, unmute yourself. Akshat,
Yes, yes, sir.
what all columns will I make in the first working?
Sorry, sir.
What all columns will I make in the first working?
Particular date, particular left and debit and credit.
I am talking about the working note, first workings. What all columns?
Okay.
First workings.
On application, on allotment, or on final call. Voila.
I am asking the columns. Installment.
Okay, 3, sir. 3 columns.
Which columns? Installment then?
Installments.
Face value. Okay, Akshat. Akshat, unmute yourself. Vani, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Installment.
First installment, second face value, third में विशाल and Avni, and then total.
Vani, premium is also there.
Oh, yes, sir.
So face value, premium,
Premium,
total.
total.
And after that,
Vishal and Avni.
Vishal and
Avni.
no, Avni is the person to whom we have reissued the shares. She will not come. Only Vishal. All
Okay.
skin areas are only one person, that is Vishal.
Vishal.
Only one column will come here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is everyone clear with the columns here? Okay, Vani, tell me the workings. First installment.
First installment amount on application,
Yes.
face value ₹4,
Face value is 4.
premium 74,
Premium is 70. And total is 74.
okay.
Further,
On allotment,
allotment.
face value 4,
Face value is 4.
premium is 40,
Premium is 40.
total 44.
4 plus 40, total 44. And then final call.
Final call, then face value will be 2,
Face value is 2.
premium 40,
Premium is again 40.
then total 42.
Total 42. And 10 plus 150, 160. Now call scenarios.
Call scenarios. 1 second, sir.
Read this sentence.
Which one, sir?
This one. All the amounts due.
All the amounts due were received except final call on 2000 held by Vishal.
Yes.
तो सर एप्लीकेशन और अलॉटमेंट में 2000 आएगा.
नहीं, only final call में 2000 आएगा, except final call.
Okay.
Call areas means he has not paid only final call. He has paid application and allotment. So 2000 of call areas will come only in final call. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And 4 feature, all of you mark this done after final call. If all of you mark that 4 feature is done after final call. Did every one of you understand the first working?
Yes, sir.
Yes, others also. Did you understand the first workings?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now second working. Hitarth Bhatt. Hitarth Bhatt.
Yes, sir.
What will be the second working? Hitarth.
Hello.
Yes, what will be the second working?
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
बस बेटा क्वेश्चन पूछना हो तो आवाज कहां से आएगी? What will be the second working, Siddharth? Are others able to listen to me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Siddharth, but what will be the second workings?
सर मेरा नेट लगता है खराब है, मैं चेंज करके आता हूँ.
कहाँ खरीदने जा रहे हो? चेंज करके आता हूं. ध्वज गुप्ता.
यस सर. सर
What-
कॉल्ड अप कैपिटल.
Called up capital.
हाँ
What amount?
सर इसमें 10 आएगी
Yes. Why?
सर, क्योंकि उसने एप्लीकेशन के भी दिए, अलॉटमेंट के भी दिए हैं, लेकिन फाइनल कॉल के लिए मंगाए थे लेकिन दिए नहीं उसने.
But company has called. So company has called, and after final call forfeiture is done, means company has called entire 10 rupees per share. Very good.
सर ये क्वेश्चन अगर अलॉटमेंट के बाद होता तो 8 रुपीज आता.
So 8 आता. 4 plus 4 8. Correct.
ओके, नीचे वाले को नहीं गिनने का सर.
Yes.
ओके
You always have to take face value only. Okay.
ओके
We are talking about which amount? Capital.
यस सर.
Capital में प्रीमियम जाता है.
ना.
बस तो फेस वैल्यू ही लेना है. ठीक है.
ओके ओके हाँ. थैंक यू.
Welcome. Yes. Now third working will be amount forfeited. Raise your hand. Who will tell me shortcut method I gave you yesterday? For Vishal, how will you find the amount forfeited? Priyanka from Varashia.
Sir, cross multiplication.
Yes. So what amount will we take?
2000 into
Into?
uh,
Take from
Eight.
face value.
8.
8 rupees. Okay, 2000. See, Vishal has not paid final call, means he has paid application and allotment. Always take from face value column. Don't take premium into consideration. Okay. So face value 4 plus 4, 8 rupees is paid by Vishal. Means number of shares forfeited 2000 into 8 rupees, that is 16,000. Is every one of you clear with this shortcut method I gave you yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Anyone
Yes,
having
sir.
any doubt with the amount forfeited? Anyone having any doubt with the amount forfeited?
Sir.
No.
No, sir.
The format journal
No.
of Dhyani Ceramic Limited. All of you make the format. 1 minute time for that. Make it fast. Netra, unmute yourself. Netra,
Yes, sir.
first entry.
Sir, I'm not well, so I didn't watch the videos. Is it okay?
Throughout the year, you have this excuse. Every time you give it to me this.
No, sir, I didn't watch it today.
Yes, but in general, 90% of the time you always tell me this. You have not watched the lecture, but how many lectures you have not watched? Netra,
Yes, sir.
you ring me after the class is over, okay?
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Nidhi Pandey from Varashia, unmute yourself. Nidhi Pandey from Varashia, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what will be the first entry?
Sir, bank account debit to share application.
Bank account debit to equity share application account. Okay, bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit. Temporarily, we transfer the money to equity share application account. What amount? Nidhi,
2 crore 22 lakh.
how do you?
74 into 3 lakh shares.
Yes, we have full subscription. So 3 lakh shares, we will record all the entries with 3 lakh shares. Okay. And 3 lakhs into 74 rupees is the total amount which we will receive on application. So all of you do it 3 lakhs into 74. Is it 2 crore 22 lakhs? Do you all get this? 2 crore 22 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Being application money received. Anyone having any doubt in the first entry? All are clear with it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second entry, Harsh Gandhi. Harsh Gandhi, second entry. Harsh Gandhi. Maurya from Karalibag. Maurya from Karalibag. Marfua, you need to introspect why Karalibag students are not participating. Marfua. Marfua.
Hello. Ji
Yes,
sir.
introspect why Karalibag students are not participating. They just keep mum only in this meeting entirely. Their videos are also, their
सर
videos
कल
are
मैंने
also, yes.
सर कल मैंने बोला था उन लोग को.
Their videos are also off, their mics are also off, and on asking them, they don't even have the courtesy to unmute. So they unmute.
सर मैं उन लोग को रिमूव कर रही हूँ.
Yes, जिनके भी videos off है और मैं पूछ रहा हूँ और unmute भी नहीं कर रहे, उनको remove कर दो, because there is no, at least I want that they speak something.
जी सर मैं उनको रिमूव कर रही हूँ जिनके वीडियोस ऑफ है.
हाँ, wrong to wrong answer. You remove them, yes, please. If they are attending the lecture, at least they participate in that. Vidhi from Karalibag, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the entry, Vidhi from Karalibag. Second entry.
Equity share application account to equity share capital to security premium.
Equity share application account debit, and since application money includes premium also, so to equity share capital account and to security premium account. How will we get the amount?
In equity share application 2 crore 22 lakh.
Yes,
From
equity share
above.
application account, we will record full amount of 2 crore 22 lakhs. Then
Yes, and in equity share capital 3 lakh into 4.
equity share capital will be towards the face value. So all of you can see in application, the face value is 4 rupees. So 3 lakhs into 4, that is 12 lakhs. Then
Yes, and 3 lakh in security premium 3 lakh into 70.
yes, security premium will be with premium amount, that is 3 lakhs into 70 rupees. So 2 crore 10 lakhs. Very good, Vidhi. Fantastic. 2 crore 10 lakhs. Being application money transferred to share capital and security premium account. Is everyone clear with the first two entries of application? Any doubt in that?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, third entry. Dipender from Pratap Nagar. Dipender from Pratap Nagar. Yes, Dipender, you are not audible. Speak something. Seems some problem in your mic device. Dipender, you are not able to hear you. Astha Bhavsar from Pratap Nagar. Astha Bhavsar from Pratap Nagar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the third entry of allotment.
Equity share allotment account debit
Equity share allotment account debit
to equity share capital
to equity share capital account.
to security premium.
Yes, since allotment also includes premium, so to security premium account. Now tell me the amounts. Share
3 lakhs into 44 in allotment.
Yes, 3 lakhs into total amount of allotment is 44 rupees. So that comes to
1 crore 32 lakhs.
1 crore 32 lakhs. Then share capital
3 lakhs into 4
to 4
face
rupees.
value.
Okay, 4 rupees is towards the face value.
फोन रखे गए हैं
So
12 lakhs.
will go to share capital. In security premium,
3 lakhs into 40.
40 rupees of premium will go to security premium account. That is 1 crore.
1 crore 20 lakhs.
Yes. All of you see here, the amount of allotment will be 3 lakhs into 44 rupees, share capital 3 lakhs into 4, and security premium 3 lakhs into 40. Is every one of you clear with the amounts in this entry? Any doubts in it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Being allotment, okay, being allotment money due. Now, fourth will be allotment money received. So, Dharti Parmar from Nizampura. Unmute yourself, Dharti Parmar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the fourth entry.
Sub bank account to equity share allotment.
Yes. Are there any calls in arrears in allotment, everyone?
No.
No, sir.
No,
Calls
sir.
in allotment,
No, sir.
single entry will come or double entry will come?
Single entry.
Single.
Okay. Simply bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit. मिर्जापुर ज्यादा देख लिया भाई, चच्चा बच्चा छोड़ो अभी. Only Dharti you unmute yourself, others keep, all the other chachas keep yourself muted. So equity share allotment account, we will reverse and credit equity share allotment account. Yes, what amount, Dharti?
3 lakhs into 44.
Entire 1 crore 32 lakhs of previous entry. Directly we can take it. No calls in
Yes, sir.
means full 1 crore 32 lakhs we have received. Okay, entire 1 crore 32 lakhs is being received. Is everyone clear with this entry and amount? Any doubt in it?
No, sir.
Being allotment money received. Okay, being allotment money received. Now, 2 entries of allotment are also done. Mute yourself. Next. Janvi Chauhan from Subhanpura. Unmute yourself. Yes, you are not audible. Janvi, speak something. You are not audible. Disha More from Subhanpura. Disha More from Subhanpura. Unmute yourself. Mukti? Mukti? Mukti Parikh? Achal from Subhanpura, unmute yourself. Achal,
Yes, sir.
tell me the next entry.
Equity share final call account debit
Equity share. Yes.
to equity share capital
To equity share capital account, and also
to security premium
yes,
account.
it includes premium also, so to security premium account. Yes, what amounts?
Oh, equity share final call 3 lakhs into 42.
Yes, 3 lakhs into 42 rupees. Total amount of final call what is due is 3 lakhs into 42. What does that come to?
12 crore 6 lakhs.
1 crore 26 lakhs.
Yes.
Okay, 1 crore 26 lakhs. Then share capital account,
3 lakhs into 2.
3 lakhs into 2 rupees towards the face value, that is 6 lakhs.
6 lakhs.
And security premium,
3 lakhs into 40.
3 lakhs into 40, that is 1 crore 20 lakhs.
Yes.
Is every one of you clear with this? 42 rupees will come in final call, then 40 rupees will come in security premium account, and 2 rupees will go in share capital account. Anyone having any doubt in that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Be final call money due. Now, next entry of final call money received. Vani,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
So can you show me question?
Yes, final call money received.
So bank account debit to equity share final call.
Look at the workings. Do you have calls in arrears?
Yes, sir.
So combined entry will come or single entry will come?
Sir, I think single entry.
No, combined entry. There are calls in arrears, means calls in arrears will be recorded na, in final call.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the combined entry? Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit. Then
Calls in arrears account debit
yes, calls in arrears are receivable, debit the receivable, calls in arrears account debit. And what will you credit?
to equity share final call.
Yes, to close equity share final call account, we will reverse and credit equity share final call account. Now, how will we record the amounts?
Sir, in calls in arrears amount 2000.
First of all, we will go reverse. Final call you will credit with what amount?
1 crore 26 lakh.
Final call you will credit with full amount of 1 crore 26 lakhs. Now, calls in arrears,
2000.
2000 is the quantity. What is the amount? On 2000 shares, they have not paid 42 rupees. Okay, Vishal has not paid 42 rupees. So 2000 into 42. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
That is 84,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what will be the amount of bank? How will you find the amount of bank?
So will minus
1 crore 26 lakhs minus 84,000. That is 1 crore 26 lakhs minus 84,000 comes to how much? That is 42 lakhs. No. 1 crore 25 lakh.
25 lakh 16,000.
1 crore 25 lakh
16,000.
Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir. And sir, मेरा hand down नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay. Being final call money received. Is everyone clear with this entry? Now raise your hand. What will be the entry of forfeiture? After final call, 6 entries are done. Now we have to pass the entry of forfeiture and then reissue and then profit. So raise your hand. What will be the entry of forfeiture? Weber from Pratapnagar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Share capital account debit.
Equity share capital account debit. Then
Security premium account debit.
now here we will debit security premium also. Do you all find that premium is there in this question and it is not received or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you tell me which premium is not received.
On final call.
Final call.
On final call.
Yes. Final call, there are call scenarios, means this amount of premium has not been received. Okay. Since we have premium not received, security premium account also we will debit. Yes, Weber.
Call scenarios. Two call scenarios.
2 calls in arrears account. And what else will you credit?
And to share forfeiture account.
To share forfeiture account and 2 calls in arrears account. Is everyone clear with it? Yes, now tell me the amounts, Weber. Share capital, what amount?
2,000 into 10 to 20,000.
Yes. All of you remember the formula is number of shares forfeited 2,000 into called up capital 10, so 20,000. I repeat it here. How many shares are forfeited? 2,000 shares of Vishal are forfeited. And what is the called up capital we have written in second working? 10 rupees. Okay. So 2,000 into 10. This entry we have to pass with the number of shares forfeited. That is 2,000 shares. Yes. Security premium with what amount?
2,000 into 40, 80,000.
Yes, as I asked you, which premium is not paid by the shareholder? Only final call premium is not paid. And security premium we have to debit with number of shares forfeited into premium not paid by the shareholder. Okay, number of shares forfeited into premium not paid by the shareholder. Now here in this situation, this is the premium not paid. 70 rupees is paid, 40 is paid with application and allotment. But 40 of final call is not paid. So 2,000 into 40, 80,000 will be the amount of premium. Is everyone clear with this amount?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
About share forfeiture, what amount?
2,000 into 8, 16,000.
Yes, we have already done that in working note 3. All of you look at working note 3, we have already done the calculations. What is the amount to be forfeited? 16,000. Okay. So directly from working note 3, the amount forfeited is 16,000. And call scenarios?
1,000 into 42, 84.
Yes.
2,000 into 42, 84,000.
Yes, or you can directly take here. In 6th entry, what are the call scenarios? All of you in 6th entry call scenarios, can you all see 84,000? Directly that 84,000 we have to reverse and credit to close. Is everyone clear with this call scenarios amount?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is not clear?
Yes.
Brinda. Brinda, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
You are not clear with this amount?
Getting.
Yes.
Sorry, can you repeat it? My network. There is some problem.
Are you clear with this? I'll explain you once again the entire entry. Do you want me to explain the entire entry again, Brinda?
No, sir. Got it.
84,000 of call scenarios. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Anyone who is not clear with this portion? Being 2,000 shares forfeited. Being 2,000 shares forfeited. Now, after forfeiture, raise your hand. What will be the entry of reissue? What will be the entry of reissue? Heath Gandhi, Subhanpura.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Bank account debit to share capital account to
Yes,
security premium.
correct. As I discussed with you, in this question, the shares are issued at premium. So instead of share forfeiture account debit, what we have to do is we have to credit security premium account. So bank account debit to equity share capital account and to security
premium
account. Yes, bank account, what amount? How will we find it?
2,000 into 80, 1,60,000.
2,000 into 80. The shares are reissued at 80 rupees. Can you all see this? Number of shares reissued 2,000. And what is the reissue price? 80 rupees. So 2,000 into 80, 1,60,000. Then share capital with what amount?
2,000 into 10,
20,000
20,000.
into called up capital. Called up capital is 10 rupees. So 1,60,000 called up capital will go to equity share capital and security premium.
2,000 into 70, 1,40,000.
2,000 into 70 against 80 rupees. 70 rupees is premium. Okay.
Sir, equity share 20,000.
Yeah, sorry, 20,000.
Yeah.
I repeat it, 70 rupees is premium if they are reissued at 80. So number of shares reissued 2,000 into premium of 70 rupees, 1,40,000. Is everyone clear with the entry of reissue? Anyone who wants me to explain it again?
सर
Yes.
सर ये 70 मतलब कैसे है, मतलब कुछ समझ नहीं पड़ रही वो वाली.
हाँ, reissue कितने में किया बेटा?
80 रुपीज पे.
80 रुपीज पे किया, बट फेस वैल्यू कितना है? कॉल्ड अप कैपिटल कितना है?
कॉल्ड अप 40 मतलब मतलब इसमें कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है सर, एक मिनट.
ये देखो, फेस वैल्यू में कंपनी ने कितना अमाउंट कॉल किया है शेयर होल्डर से? 4+4+2 कितना
10.
अमाउंट? 10 रुपीज कॉल किया है ना?
हाँ.
वो फेस वैल्यू का अमाउंट है
10 रुपीज.
हाँ. अब 10 रुपीज के सामने इफ यू कलेक्ट 80 रुपीज तो कितना ज्यादा कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
70 रुपीज ज्यादा ले रहा हूँ मैं.
वो प्रीमियम होगा.
ओके ओके.
Right, that premium is our income, credit all incomes and gains. So we credit that 70 rupees to security premium account.
Okay.
Okay, out of 80 rupees, 10 rupees of face value called up capital will go to share capital account, and 70 rupees extra what we are collecting will go to security premium account.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes sir, yes sir.
You want me to explain it one more time?
No sir.
Okay.
अब आ गया हाँ, पहले नहीं आया था, अब आ गया.
Okay. Anyone else having any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Did all of you understand the entry of reissue? Being 2,000 shares reissued at rupees 80. Now last entry will be of profit. Raise your hand. What will be the entry of profit? Cyrus.
Share forfeiture to capital reserve.
Yes, share forfeiture account debit. Okay, profits amount. Share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve account. Amount, how will we count?
2,000 into 8.
Forfeited amount is 16,000. From that we have to minus discount. But have we reissued the shares at discount or premium?
at premium.
Means, can I say there is no discount here?
Yes.
So entire amount forfeited 16,000 itself is our profit. No discount is passed on to the new shareholder. Whatever amount we forfeited was our profit. Don't add premium in that. Premium is already credited as an income. So don't include again in your profit. Okay. Simply whatever amount was forfeited 16,000, it is entirely your profit because you have not given any discount. If we give any discount from that we have to minus. But there is no discount, so entire amount forfeited 16,000 is our profit. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Being profit on
Yes, sir.
forfeiture transferred to capital reserve. Now total of journal is to be done. ₹4 crore 44 lakhs, 6 crore, 7 crore, 8 lakhs, 6 crore, 26, 926, 952, 9 crore 52 lakhs, 9 crore 52 lakhs, 53 lakhs, 60.
Sir, 962, 962.
Sir, 9 crore
Sir, 962. 61 lakh. 9 crore 61 lakh 92,000.
No,
Sir,
sir.
9 crore
62 lakh 76,000.
76,000.
9 crore 62 lakh 76.
Sir, 61.
62.
Sir, in textbook it is 61.
9 crore 62.
Textbook's amount is wrong. Why? Because they have not recorded calls in areas. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
And we have recorded calls in areas, so our amount total will come different. Okay, they have not passed this 84,000 entry. So your entry will differ with 84,000. Total will differ with 84,000 rupees. Okay. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now which account we have to make?
Security premium.
Security, sir.
Security premium.
Yes, security premium account. Make the format, everyone. Make the format of security premium account. Yes, any doubts in the entries, you can ask it to me till you all make the formats.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, the amount of premium taken at the time of application and allotment, won't it be forfeited?
No. Forfeiture, why did we credit amount to security premium account?
To close the account?
When we credited security premium in application and allotment, why did we credit that?
Because that is our income.
Because that is our income, right? Now, how can you consider it as your income again second time?
Okay, okay. So we have recorded first as income.
Yes, share forfeiture we credit because it is our income. Credit all incomes and gains. Now you cannot consider same amount as your income second time. So you remember that forfeiture we always have to take from face value column only. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yes, did you all make the format of security premium account?
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand who is still making it. Okay, let's take up with the security premium account now. Debit and credit. Now, which entry do you find security premium? Do you find it in entry number 1?
No.
Do you find it in entry number 2?
Yes.
Yes.
2 security premium account is credited. So where will we write it in security premium account?
Credit side.
Credit side.
What is the opposite account?
Equity share application.
And what is the amount of premium?
2 crore 10 lakh.
2 crore 10 lakhs. So all of you write down security premium credit side by equity share application account 2 crore 10 lakhs. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Further, which next entry? Do you find security premium in entry number 4?
No, sir.
No. Do you find
Third.
third entry? Sorry. Do you find security premium in entry number 3?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Third entry again, security premium is debited or credited?
Credit.
Credited.
What is the opposite account?
Equity share allotment.
Equity share allotment.
And what is the amount of premium?
1 crore
20 lakh.
So credit side we will write by equity allotment account 1 crore 20 lakhs. Is that everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which entry do we have premium?
No.
No.
Security premium is credited. What is the opposite account?
The share final call.
Final call account. And what is the amount of premium?
1 crore 20 lakh.
20 lakhs. So security premium credit side by equity share final call account 1 crore 20 lakhs. Is that clear up till now?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
do you find any security premium in 6th entry?
No.
No, sir.
Do you find any security premium in 7th entry?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
debited or credited?
Debited.
Debited.
Debited, so we will write on debit side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the opposite account you record? Share forfeiture or calls in arrears?
Calls in areas.
All scenarios.
Why not share forfeiture?
Sir, both.
Because in forfeiture called up capital is included and
Yes.
not premium.
All of you can see in forfeiture we have taken only 8 rupees. Is it or not?
Yes.
All of you
Yes.
see in forfeiture we have taken 8 rupees. That is from face value column.
Yes.
Okay. Did forfeiture include any amount of premium?
No.
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 Entire premium is included in which amount? Calls in arrears amount. Did you understand that? How did you get this 84,000? 2,000 into
2000 into 42.
Into 42.
does that 42 include this premium of 42 or not?
Yes.
So where is the security premium included? In which opposite account is the premium included? Calls in arrears account. Did you understand that?
Calls in areas.
The security premium account debit side we will record 80,000, but which opposite account you'll record out of the two?
Calls in areas.
Also,
In arrears account. Has everyone understood that?
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand who did not understand this posting. Why calls in arrears 80,000? Okay. And 8th entry security premium is debited or credited?
Credited.
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 Account will record? Which
Bank.
opposite account? By bank account. And what is the amount of security premium? 1,40,000.
1,40,000.
So by bank account 1,40,000. Is that clear to everyone? Now what is the total of credit side? 2 crore, 3 crore, 4 crore, 4 crore, 50, 1,40,000.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, credit side total is 4 crore 51,40,000. Write it on both the sides. Minus 80,000, so 4 crore 50,60,000.
Yes.
4 crore 50 lakhs, 60,000 will be the balancing figure to balance carried down. Did all of you understand this security premium account, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.